So this again is a really popular design with us. It's called the Harlequin. We've got them in various different, slightly different styles. You've again got your patchwork deep bottom Chesterfield, your paddings all the way around. You've got your intricate buttons which are made of the leather fabric, which is similar to the halo leather sofas that we do. They're really comfortable, they're quite deep and quite high back for a Chesterfield. We've got armchairs, 2s and 3s to match this, and we can do an occasional footstool to match as well. So yeah. So moving on guys, this is the Harlequin but in the leather option. You've got your fabric intricate design on the sides and the back, but the main function of this sofa and the main added part of this is leather. You've got all different patchworks, you've got the matching footstool there and the armchair. These are available to order, we've got them in stock and the lead times are sort of 6 to 8 weeks. So yeah, any more information you need, just get in touch.